Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Happy Zaatar Day everybody. And I thought every year I do a video on Zaatar Day, for Zaatar Day, excuse me. And when I was taking out trash, I saw a Zaatar plant. I never water here at all. Well, you could tell how bad the soil is. I mean, it's concrete. See what I mean? I never put mulch or anything, and I never water here, and yet I have the most beautiful Zaatar plant that I've ever had grown in my garden. Look at this. No, not even bug issues. Sometimes I get thrips on my Zaatar plants, not with this one. And when you smell the leaves, this is the strongest Zaatar I've ever had grown. I'm gonna take seeds from this plant. No water, no nothing, and it's thriving. Look at how beautiful it is. So happy gardening, everybody. Really tough plant. That's why I love it so much, and that's why I named my channel after it. This is Oregonum syriacum, that variety right there. Tough plant, no watering, no nothing, no fertilizer. There's nothing here. This is horrible soil, and it's thriving. Happy Zaatar Day, happy gardening. Bye, everybody.